Hello guys, hi, it's girl Claire and welcome to my YouTube channel. Karibuni sana guys, and no matter what you're going through is gonna be okay. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe and join the family. I think I've done videos like in this space so many times. The reason is why I go do my errands on Sundays. And we have a church near our place. So there's nothing I can say in the house for you guys to hear. Like hamwezi sikia literally. So that's why most of the times, at least nikifika hapa, it's somehow silent. It's somehow peaceful. I can at least say something. It's not like my house is not peaceful. Okay. It's just nini ya kelele. The church is going on. I cannot say it's noise. There are people praising and thanking God, which is a very important thing. So I'm like, let me not interfere them. And I don't want you guys to hear them as they praise and do their things. So that's why I normally do my videos here. So leo ni ile siku you're going to do a monthly shopping. And I'd rather say a fridge restock. Umesikia hiyo, a fridge restock. This is God, oh guys, this is God. So let's do this. I'm so excited, by the way. I'm so excited. It has been a good week, to be honest. A very blessed one at that. And I cannot complain. I cannot, because what happened this week for me, na miracle agoseam. This one na miracle, a big miracle. Hi, Jesus. They always say that you can never go to God and come out empty-handed. You can never. Eh? Don't mind my hair. Oh. Don't mind my hair. Guys, before I could just go, najua nimesimama tu kwa barabara like someone, I don't know who is doing what. But this is me. This is the outfit of the day. A sweater top, my bag. Nimebeba hadi jacket ya mtoto because the weather is somehow gloomy or something. So, my celebration of this week, guys. This video, by the time, okay, right now, like when I'm speaking right now, I am at 3.2k subs. Hey, Jesus. Now me Claire I go hit 3k. What mnachezaga na Mungu? You guys, you're playing with God. This God. I go kneel down every day and just thank him. Because me gaining 3k subscribers, you know what I was saying. But anyways, I know I will continue to grow because everything has got time. Nimekuwa YouTube for 2 years and na miezi kadhaa, but my time is coming. I've always been believing in myself and I've always known that kuna siku itafika tu. So right now I'm celebrating 3k subscribers. Na soon itafika 5k, soon nifike 10. The next time I'll be saying 300 subs. You guys ready? Are you ready? Today tufanye shopping. Tunaenda market. We need to get tomatoes. So my brother is the one who's shooting me. I told you guys, okay, kuna video I did, a vlog. Yeah, I was talking about my brother Pikucha, like he brought me cassava or something. So he's the one who will be staying with my son. Right now my son is sorted. Yani sina stress. Hata nitoke kazi saa moja, I'm okay. I'm okay now. So we need to go and get cereals. We need to go and get tomatoes, onions, capsicums. Oh, but onions I won't get them because I have them in the house. And do our shopping. Kama kawaida, the things that we don't have in the house. So let's go, guys. But it's just the random places that I go. It's not like I have a new place or something. So, twende guys.
Got it.
Yeah. Hi. Shika di mkono.
Sema kwa.
Bingo. Tunafanana? Guys, tunafanana? Guys, tunafanana? Akozeza. I'm serious. Guys, niko kwa barabara nasikia tu kuscream. Hey everyone, hello everyone, listen to me, listen to me. Hey everyone, listen to me. I've gotten 3.2k subscribers. Mnisikize, mnisikize. Hadi watu wananiangalia wanashinda what is wrong with me. I feel like going and telling everyone, "We, I have 3k subs." Nimefikisha 3.2, not even 3, 3.2. Na niko kwa barabara. People are just, what is how excited I am. I'm not even ashamed of whatever. I'm just excited. At least now the sun is out since morning. Hata inapotea tena. Yes, Eliud.
Oh, hello, how are you?
Fine, fine.
Umetembea?
Tumetembea.
Okay, karibuni.
Mazuri.
Haya, mazuri atapata utakosa.
Ni Sunday gani ukufungua? Ni ya last ama ile ingine?
Sije kosa kufungua.
Kuna Sunday nilikuja hapa huko umefungua.
Maybe ulikuja mapema.
Nikahangaika. Sijui nilihappen kununua nyanya sijui side gani huko.
Oh, okay.
Nikasema ilikuwa around saa 6 hapo.
Wenyewe tuchelewa chache. Yeah. Lakini most nikitoka huwa nakuja.
Sawa. Waivon, unasemaje? Uko poa? kind of joto hapa ndani, so I think I need to get something before I do an organization of my fridge. I think I don't have much that I've bought. It's just the normal stuff. So let me change first. Nasikia joto ingine kwa hii sweater top. I'm like, hapana, I cannot continue like this. So let me take it off and then tuone tumenunua nini. I'm comfy now. Kenza, unataka nini? So guys, like I didn't have much that I got. There's unga here for ugali. I have mafuta. I decided to get 1 kg salt plus kununua chumvi. I have $1 for chapati. I got some biscuits for the guy. I got spaghetti, 4 of them. There. I have this one is more of ugali unga. I got this one for mandazi. I didn't find my ajab one for ugali. There's sugar here. What else? I got indomie, more sugar, tea leaves. I got juice. Whether this one has become my favorite. It's so nice, the pep one. I got soda for the guy. He loves it. I got a hand wash. I got some 2 yogurts. Oops. I also got a pizza. I got a chapati. I got blue band. Small one for my brother. More cookies for the guy. Melon for him, always. I also got some containers for organizing food in the fridge. So I'll just clean them. Bread. I got super bread. By the way, guys, this is like a series. These were there 6 of them, and I got them at 150 shillings kwa soko. So unaona una save tu pesa kidogo. So that's it. Morning fresh, and then powder. This is not powder. Why do I always say powder? Why? I recall the last video I happened to say so, but I didn't cut. Post it. So this is like for washing vyombo. Morning fresh. So over here, hapa hivi ni sabuni. This one is ya kuoga, and then that one is for nini? Unafaa kwa karibu. You are fine. Then over here, omena kama kawaida for myself. And then here I have capsicum, I have coriander, I have garlic. And then I have carrots. And then I have oranges and avocado. Parachichi jamani. Then bananas. Fruits are important. So over here, oh yeah, Jesus. So I just had to get more rice. Kuna yenye iko hapo, but I needed more. Mudokoi. And then I think here we just have hapa tu ni nyanya. And then we have kamande and how do we call it? Green grams. So, and then tissue. Tissue. So, guys, that's it. So I think, guys, so guys, I tried kupanga kidogo vizuri. I tried. So up here kuna yogurt. I got these are drinks. Chili, nimeka hapo blue band. This is milk, soda, the one. This is water, and then this is mala. And then huku ndani kunakaa vile kunakaa, but so this one I want to wash the new containers, and then I'll chop them, nikate huku mbele, and then I'll put them there. Then this one probably will be eating it from today, so let me just keep it there. The bananas over here, I have my cabbage. Eggs niliamua kuweka huko because nikiweka hapa it's very dangerous, like on this. for my son. And then also more cabbage here. And then hapa chini I decided to put cookies because we're not eating them soon. And then huku sasa nimeweka nyanya and some capsicum. So nimeorganize venye nimejaribu, so but I want to clean my nini. Unaweza ona hata hizi, so these ones I need to clean that new containers nieke. And then this melon we'll be eating it maybe today and tomorrow, so itatoka, we'll get more space. So ka fridge ketu ni kadogo, by the way, it's a small one but it's enough for us. Yeah. Milo, you don't want to play. You don't want to play.
Mom.
You don't want to play. You don't want to
Wewe imechemuka.
Milo.
Mama, imechemuka. Mom.
Sawa.
Sasa
Nimepata pizza. Guys. Sikuwa na pesa ya kununua full, so why not go for just 2 pieces, and it was 65 shillings. So I'm gonna enjoy at least. Hata nikipata piece mbili I'm okay. So guys, it has actually been a good day. Na nasikia usingizi. And right now it's currently 4:30. Leo nimesijakaa sana tao. So I feel like taking a nap. Kama ni 30 minutes, and I have to make ngwashe, sweet potatoes. So that's what I need to do. Nisha organize kila kitu and then wash those containers and then organize my fridge well. Niweke hiyo dania ndani, hizo carrots niziweke hapo kwa hizo containers. And yeah, just saizi I don't have any cooking that I've done, so I don't have anything ya kuweka tunaweza sema food ama nini. I've not done any cooking. Maybe tomorrow nikitokea job I can make muthokoi, or maybe I don't know. So I'll just see. Bebe, unakula pizza? Sawa, acha ipoe. Guys, I told you I was making wash, and here it is. Mama tusha katakata, so it's just about to kuwekelea chumvi, and then I'm going to cover it with this, and then niekelea sufuria ingine, and then I'll put it out kwa jiko. That's what's up. So much guys, bye bye, see you on my next